14th statewide Greg's Groceries packing event. So we have nearly 50 agencies from across South Carolina coming together to pack boxes of non-perishable food. We're actually packing 2,000 boxes, and each box of food is intended to feed a family of 4 for a week. And so that's thousands of lives touched. And they're going to be distributed all across the state, in large part thanks to our partnership with South Carolina Department of Public Safety, who is joining us as a partner here today. So Greg's Groceries is named after my late husband, Greg, who was a police officer that was shot and killed in the line of duty. And a few months before Greg was killed, he said that for every one negative story you hear about police, there are thousands of positive stories happening every day that go unnoticed.
It's a chance for us to bridge the gap between us and the community. And it's a chance in a different way in order to help people. And today you see officers, some on their day off, taking the time to pack boxes for food for those in need. So it's a different way for us to interact with the community. You know, we are blessed in the state to have hundreds of thousands of great officers, and you can see that just from this week, how we all came together, whether it's on the state, local, or federal level, to help each other and help the community.
So our big vision is police and citizens working together as one community to address root causes of crime and promote safety so everyone can thrive. We recognize that police alone cannot build safe driving communities. They need their community partners working side by side with them to help address those root causes and really build safe driving communities. And so Greg's Groceries is really a first step in that direction. It is an open door. It is an olive branch. It's saying that we care, we're here. But today what we're doing is going beyond the box. And so we actually have resource providers that are here, community members that are packing alongside the officers to invite them into this work and really explore how we then move from these boxes to go beyond the box to make sure we're building that bridge.